James, it's a bad trip.
Oh, dude, no.
Dude, it's a bad trip, dude.
No.
Let's get out of here.
Oh, man,
Let's get out of here, bro.
It's gonna be okay.
Guys, welcome back. Great to see everybody. Thank you for joining us on today's video. Today, guys, we got invited to go see the Infinity Museum located by, or actually inside Boulevard Mall. So, James, you ready to go check it out?
Yeah, looks pretty awesome, man. I can't wait.
Hope you don't transcend into another universe when you go in there.
Anything's possible, dude.
So this is the entrance, guys, of the Infinity Museum.
I think this is the Stargazing, though.
Stargazing? This one's called Stargazing?
I think so.
Oh, there's a mirror.
Yeah, I think we're gonna see some mirrors in here.
So guys, this is the next room that we walked into, and it is pretty wild. I was afraid to walk.
Yeah, you should, I think, always be cautious in this kind of place. Everything is designed as a trick.
I was totally afraid to walk, dude.
And I think they gave us these glasses to mess us up, too.
Well, they don't fit on my head, so
They do not fit on your head.
it's not gonna work for me.
Yeah. Everything, it turns all lights into little hearts. All I see is little floating hearts.
So I guess if you wear the glasses, these little lights above it, they look like hearts. But they don't fit on my head. These glasses, over my glasses. Seriously, guys, this room looks endless from this corner here. Like, it goes on forever. I don't even know how to get out of here. James, how do we get out of here? Where's the next room at, James?
Help. Help. Do we not go this way?
I don't know.
I don't know.
So like I said, everything looks like it goes on forever, guys, even if you look down.
It's like you're floating in a starfield.
Everything is mirrored, and it's pretty wild. This is crazy. Alrighty, guys, and this is the second room with balls. The balls move?
You can move it.
I guess the balls move.
Hey, Joe, check out my balls.
Oh, the balls float too. Look at
They do all sorts of things.
partial helium in them.
They're
Maybe.
magical balls. Oh, sick.
Is this one just floating in the air? It is. This one was just floating in the air.
It looks like, remember in Star Trek when the blood went all zero gravity?
Yep. We got James here enjoying his balls.
I'm having a good time playing with my balls over here. They bounce, they float, they're reflective and shiny. Like all good balls should be. Careful, careful. Careful.
So this is called a dodecahedron, and once you step inside of there,
You say it's the only one
it
in the
looks
world,
like
huh?
a one-way mirror, and we can't see outside of it, but everybody who's out here can see inside of it.
There may be another one.
So we're about to step
You
inside.
can't walk
and,
into it.
See what it looks like. inside the dodecahedron. And they closed the door behind us.
Yeah, we are locked inside this.
And
we cannot get out.
We cannot see outside. All we see is just ourselves everywhere.
We cannot get out. We need their help to get out. I was very nice to the lady.
Do you feel claustrophobic?
No, this is fun.
Yeah?
I'm ready for a nap, I think. Or a pint. I'd go for a pint right now. If I had a bar stool in here. Maybe some Red Dwarf pizza.
That sounds good.
That does sound good, doesn't it? I'm gonna fall off this edge. Oh. Ooh.
So what's up, guys? We are in the dodecahedron, and yeah, I'm feeling kind of claustrophobic now.
I wonder if we fell into this glass if the thing would totally shatter. Are you claustrophobic?
Not really, but sometimes yes. Let's get
It
out.
doesn't seem claustrophobic in here because it's infinite illusions.
Maybe.
The illusion of infinity.
And guys, this is what it looks like with people inside of it, but they cannot see outside. They cannot see us looking at them. Pretty wild, yeah? All right, on to the next room. All right, this is the next room.
This one
And
is
it's
called
Wherever you step at.
Aurora Reverie.
Wherever you step at. Go and start walking. Wherever you step at it, the floor like follows you, you know, on the ground. It lights up basically.
See? If you skate across it. Whoa! More interactive.
Now it's like I'm walking on water.
This is like a dream, dude.
It's pretty wild. Now it's like I'm walking on water here. You swimming?
I'm in a
James is
dream,
swimming.
dude. It's not even real. I'm in a dream. I'm in a dream. I'm in a dream.
Some of these hallways are also pretty cool, guys. Like, they're kind of lit up cool, and you know. Then if you got James here dancing around here, it makes it even cooler. So basically, this room just has a bunch of psychedelics, I guess, on the wall and on the ground, and you can be like James, and
Maxing and relaxing.
yep, have a seat. James cruising into other dimensions here.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it was like we're in space now. Or I don't know where we are.
We're in another dimension, obviously.
Pretty wild, guys, pretty wild. Like I said, it fills the entire room. So you could easily get tripped out in here. All right, now James is meditating now, guys. He's really transfixed in this room here. I gotta admit, at first when I walked in this room, I wasn't too jazzed about it, but then with all these graphics, these trippy like graphics going on, pretty freaking cool. Seriously, guys, I can't get James out of this room. He really loves this room. He's transcending. He's transcending.
Oh snap! Not even.
One of the rooms is a mirror maze, guys. There's people that way, and there's a mirror right here. I thought you go straight, dude.
You can cheat if you look at the little code, but I'm trying not to cheat.
There is a cheat code
That's
if
why
you do get
need
lost
a
in
noodle.
here.
Should grab a noodle. Do some tapping. Oh, this is a real thing over here.
Can you go that way?
No, you cannot. This is a fake me out room.
Faked you out?
Faked me out. I gotta have my noodle.
This. I'm not gonna lie, guys. This mirror maze is pretty intense.
Keep you safe.
I can see myself right here, so I know I can't go that way.
Safety noodles.
I can see myself right here, so
I like Joe's philosophy.
I can see myself right here.
Yeah, you go until you see yourself. And
Yep.
then you
Just
turn.
keep walking, guys, until you see yourself. I see myself here.
Oh man, Joe's figured it out. Are you cheating?
No.
This is why they have do
Oh.
not run. They have a do not run warning for this room. Although seeing kids run into mirrors is hilarious.
Oh, I think we're lost here. It's a dead end right here. It's a dead end right here. Wait, what?
I got the noodle. You didn't see yourself over here. You can't see yourself right here on this wall. You gotta follow your own rule.
Guys, I have to turn off the camera so I can get out of here.
No. It's making it fun. No. Use your own rule, man. If you see yourself, turn.
I see myself right here. I went in a circle right here.
No, that's what it seems like. It's an illusion. An infinite illusion. Okay, so
No, there's people right here.
No, you can see yourself right there.
Yeah.
This way. Okay.
Dude, I went in a circle, dude.
We went in a circle?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. There's no way. Because you'd be able to see those people that are behind us. Wait a minute. This is a circle. No, it's not. This is a dead end.
Dead end. All right, guys.
gotta be this way.
I'm getting nervous.
You just gotta go until you don't see yourself. Just go. Oh, no way. There you are. You're right there. There you are. You're right there. Okay. It looks like it's so much bigger than it actually is. These people that look like they're close to us are like around 3 corners. There you are. Uh-oh.
Nope, we're in a...
Nope, there I am. Here. There's no one here. You go this way. And there I am, so I have to turn. And then here I am, so I turn. I'm not here, so I go. Oh, there I am, so I'm turning. Not over here.
But guys, if you do get lost, follow these little arrows right here. It'll take you out. But we're trying not to look at them.
Oh, no.
James, don't lose me.
You just gotta go until you don't see yourself, man.
Dude, we're going in circles.
No, we are not. You're crazy. This is some major gaslighting over here. Uh-oh. It's a dead end. You should have got your own noodle.
Dude, I'm telling you.
Noodle. That's a maze, so, you know, you're gonna do some double and back. That's a wall. There you are. There you are. This does feel very
Dude, we're going in circles.
Circular. This does feel rather
Oh, I think right here.
circular.
Oh, no.
No, that's fake you out, bro.
Oh, I made it.
You almost walked directly in.
It's just like a long lit hallway that has 4 different seasons, you know. So it's gonna get hot, cold, fall,
It's the biggest
spring.
one in the world.
Oh,
This is spring.
this looks like spring.
Yeah.
James, you're walking into spring wonderland.
I can smell the flowers, baby. It smells delicious.
You smell it?
Sometimes in life you gotta stop and smell the flowers, you know what I mean?
So guys, what do you think so far? Would you come to something like this? It's infinity, like everything's like an infinity museum. Everything looks super longer or super bigger than what it really is. But it's all just done with mirrors and lights and stuff, so. What do you think? This is, oh, it's summer.
No, it's hell. Trapped in hell, man.
It's summer.
What did I do wrong? It's Vegas heat.
The Vegas heat right here.
115, y'all. Shit. That's cool.
And then after you're done with all the rooms, it leads you out into a gift shop. You put your glasses right here and also your little booties that you've been wearing. I forgot to tell you, you have to get issued booties so you don't mess up their flooring. James found something he liked, he might buy. Oh, you talk about Bob's Burgers?
Yeah, of course. It's not big, but it looks pretty good. The psychedelic Easter Bunny is coming for you. 100%
Well guys, that's gonna do it for the Infinity Museum. Like I said, it's located pretty much inside the Boulevard Mall, and it kind of leads you out into the mall area. So if you want to go shopping afterwards, you could do so. But guys, what'd you think of the Infinity Museum? Let me know down in the comments. That's gonna do it for today's video. My name is Joe, and you just watched Straight Outta Vegas. So if you're feeling that vibe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of these future videos. Guys, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.